channel, Baking and Buttercream. Today we're making a chocolate cake that comes from the Great Depression. So, let's take a break and bake. Like I said in the intro, today we're making a chocolate cake that originated in the Great Depression. It's a super simple cake that tastes super delicious. And this cake doesn't have any eggs, so if you can't eat eggs, then this is perfect for you. This was actually a requested video by one of you guys, so thank you so much for requesting this video. It was actually requested on Baking and Buttercream's Instagram, so go follow me there and on my Facebook. There's links in the description box below. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button and share it with all your friends. Comment down below another treat you want me to make, and then subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when I upload. And now it's time to bake the crazy cake. The ingredients you need are 3 cups of flour, 2 cups of cold water, 2 cups of white sugar, 3 1/4 cups of vegetable oil, a 1/2 cup of cocoa powder, 2 tablespoons of distilled white vinegar, 2 teaspoons of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. The first step to making this crazy cake is to add your flour, sugar, cocoa powder, baking soda, and salt together in a 19 by 13 inch ungreased pan. Spread this mixture all around and make 3 wells. In one well, put the vanilla. In another well, put the vinegar. And in the last well, put the oil. Pour the cold water all on top. And now it's time to mix it up. You're just gonna mix this with a fork until everything's well combined. Then put it into the oven at 350 for 30 to 40 minutes or until it comes out clean with a toothpick. Our crazy cake is all done out of the oven. It has completely chilled. So now we're gonna frost it with some chocolate frosting. And then we'll sprinkle some sprinkles on top because sprinkles make everything better, right? The crazy cake has been decorated, so now I'm ready to go crazy for this cake. Others meaning it's time for the taste test. This cake is so good, and I'm so glad I was able to share the recipe with you guys. This cake is just such a classic chocolate cake, and you should really try this recipe. In fact, I think I'm gonna go try some more. Thanks so much for watching this video, you guys. Hope you enjoyed learning how to make a delicious chocolate cake, also known as crazy cake. If you enjoyed learning how to make this cake, please hit the thumbs up button and share this video with all your friends. And then subscribe if you haven't and hit the bell icon to get notified when I upload. Trust me, you don't want to miss any of my videos because you never know what special dessert will be coming up. And then in the comment sections, comment a sweet treat that you'd like to see in a future video of mine. If you want to watch some more of my videos, click one of these 2 videos right here. YouTube recommends this top one. I think you'll enjoy this bottom one. And click the Baking and Buttercream logo to subscribe to my channel. Alright guys, have a great day.